Hello WinExperts, today I'm going to talk about the history of Microsoft Word and then on Windows. I'm going to speak in this video instead of showing you text. Microsoft Word is a word processor platform developed by Microsoft. You can make reports, essays, stories and a lot more on it. There are some possibilities to check your grammar, spell check, changing fonts and layout adjustment, so you can make a professional document. I show you a history of Word on Microsoft Windows. The first official version that is released by Microsoft was in 1989. Word was called Word for Windows at that time. It had no support for DOS. At that time was the price around the $500. The popularity wasn't so high as the operating system that Microsoft launched. When Windows 3 was released, Microsoft Word became a huge success. Word for Windows updated to 1.1 with a better quality of making documents and also a better interface. Word for Windows 2 was released in 1991 with further improvements and finally solidified Word's market dominance. This version is included in Office 3. It also included copy protection mechanism that tried to detect debuggers. When one was found, they will get a message. Word for Windows had also some competing platforms like MacWrite and Mrs. Writer. This version got the non-continuous selection, which is a reason to use other platforms than Word for Windows. The next version is Word 6. Because of the DOS versions and to keep versions numbers consistent between Macintosh and Windows, Microsoft decided to name the next version Word 6. It is designed for the release of Windows 3.1. It was the second attempt to develop a common code-based version of Word. This is the first version with autocorrect which automatically fixed certain typing errors. A project named Pyramid attempted to completely rewrite the existing product. They claimed a smaller and more stable word processing platform. It became a truly cross-platform with machine-independent application code and a small mediation layer between the application and operating system. Later versions of Word have more capabilities than merely word processing. The Drown tool allows simple desktop publishing operations and adding graphics to documents on Word. Word 95 was released as part of Office 95 and was numbered 7, consistently with all the Office components. It ran exclusively on Win32 platform, otherwise it had some new features. Only the file format hasn't got an update. Word 97 had the same general operating performance as later versions such as Word 2000. This is the first version featuring the Office Assistant Clipit, which is an animated helper that is used for all Office programs. This was a takeover from an earlier launched concept Microsoft Bob. It also introduced Visual Basics for applications, a Microsoft event-driven program language. This is the successor of Word 97. It's released on June 7, 1999. It belongs to the bundle of Office 2000. New features are HTML document creation publishing, internet collaboration features, and interface improvements. Also, there is more opportunity to personalize your document. In the menu and the toolbars, there are more choices to create your document. This Word only has support on Windows 95 to Windows Vista. The extended support was till July 14, 2009. Word 2002 was bundled with Office XP. This was released in 2001. It had many same features of Word 2000. The new feature is task pane, which gave a quicker information and control to a lot of features that were before only available in the mobile dialog boxes. One of the key advertising strategies for the software was the removal of the Office Assistant in favor of a new help system, although this was disabled by default. Word 2003 has a lot of changes comparing to Word 2002. It is included in Office 2003 bundle. It was generally available on October 21, 2003. Word 2007 release had a number of changes, including a new XML-based file format, a redesigned interface, an integrated equation editor, and a bibliographic management. An XML data bag was also introduced, accessible via the object, model, and file format. It also has contextual tabs, which are functionally specific only to object with focus, and many other features. Live preview the document, mini toolbar, super tooltips, quick access toolbar, smart art, etc. Word 2007 also includes a new file format named docx. It is possible for the previous versions to save it as a Word 2007 file, but you have to download an add-on. Otherwise, Word 2007 can save files from Word 97 to Word 2003. Microsoft Word 2010 is a version that is released on June 15, 2010. It includes interface enhancements like backstage view that consolidates document management tasks into single location. Other new features are extended file support, ability to share to multiple users, OneDrive and SharePoint integration, and security improvements like read-only function. This is the first version that shipped versions of 32 bits and 64 bits, because there are more 64-bit computers in a current trend. Although there was a lot of Windows XP users, so they decided to ship it in both versions. This work has a cleaner lookup in its interface. It is also more focused on cloud computing, with documents being saved automatically on a OneDrive. Other notable features are new read mode, which allows horizontally scrolling of pages in columns, a bookmark to find where the user left off reading their document, and opening PDF documents in Word just like a Word content. This version is modified for Windows 8, so more support for tablet and touchscreen devices. This is the first version that couldn't run on Windows XP and Windows Vista. The Office bundle of Macintosh and Windows are released at the same time on September 22, 2015. The new features in the Windows version include the ability to create, save, edit and open files in the cloud straight to the desktop. There is also a new search tool where you can import images and videos from. Other features that are easy are Insights, a feature powered by Bing to provide contextual information from the internet, a data loss prevention feature if you didn't save your document. Last but not least, this Office bundle is released on September 24, 2018. Word 2019 have many features that are showed earlier in the Office 365 function. It is improved by some inking features, there's a LaTeX support, a document preparation system, and you can use Word on 32-bit and 64-bit computers, on the web and on an Intel architecture computer. There are no further plans for updates of Word or from any Office bundle. It is usual that the next update will be there among 3 or 4 years after 2018. Thanks for watching to this video about the history of Microsoft Word. Let me know in the comments if you want more of this kind of video so that I'm speaking instead of showing you text. Please let me know. Thank you.